Well, finally, we got a nice graphical user interface for Ollama, which means if you're not familiar or you're not a fan working with a command line interface like this, you can just start using Ollama with this nice and simple or intuitive interface. So this makes the process of chatting or downloading a model to be a lot easier and simpler. But I do notice that there is one problem with this interface. So even though it is meant to be more intuitive, this is meant to be friendlier to most people who are not developers or enthusiasts or engineers, I noticed that when you're trying to download an AI model via this interface, it is not actually being downloaded right away. For example, here, let's say I want to chat with a model from Qwen, let's say Qwen 3 VL 4 billion parameters, and I was expecting that I could see a sort of notification telling me that, hey, this model is now being downloaded, or perhaps a progress bar or an icon or anything to indicate that the model is being downloaded. This is my experience with LM Studio. Usually they're going to tell you that the model is being downloaded, so be patient until finished and then you can start chatting with the model. But it is not the case for the interface version of Ollama. So there is no indication, there is no way to know that the model is being downloaded. And also, when I check my task manager, I don't see any activity, like there is no download process. Maybe there are some little, but that's definitely not the model being downloaded. So that means this AI model is not being downloaded into my computer. So what's the problem? Well, apparently it was just a small problem. And before I show you the solution, I just want to clarify that this is not a bulletproof solution for all problems relating to Ollama, because I do notice that there are some people complaining that they cannot download an AI model via Ollama, even though they might be downloading model via the CLI and somehow they still encounter some errors. This is only for the graphical user interface version of Ollama. So basically, if you want to download the model, you have to first, of course, select the model, and after that, you have to send a message, let's say a greeting like, hi there. Just wait for it. And there you go. Now the model is being downloaded into my computer. So you have to trigger the chat first before the model would start download into your device. This is just really annoying. And by the way, just to prove it to you, I'm going to open my task manager again. And as you can see, now it is downloading the model, although it's kind of slow because of my connection, but it is now being downloaded. So this is, this is meant to be more intuitive, but somehow it is less intuitive compared to tools like LM Studio or Jan.ai. So that's something that I think Ollama must fix if they want to make the tool to be more user-friendly for most people. So anyway, that's basically how you can fix it. Just keep this page open, do not stop the process, and just wait until the model is fully downloaded. And after that, immediately it's going to answer to your greeting or your question. So I guess that's how you can fix the model in Ollama GUI not being downloaded. So the solution is just to start the chat immediately. Anyway, that's basically it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.